R15M from Yamaha showroom, and now everything is done.
नहीं फूटा। अब पूरा।
So now let's try that how is the bike.
अब घुस जाओ अंदर कैमरा के पूरा।
तो आप पीछे आगे हो सकते हो ना।
हाँ
एक ही
तो
तरफ
आप
इधर रहना।
मेरा हाथ कपेगा, आपका ही वीडियो खराब होगा।
ठीक है।
वापस 3, 2, 1।
So now let's try that how's the bike. We are going to try it. Hey guys, so welcome back to a brand new video. Today we are out from home at night at around 12. It's around 12 now, and here it is my R15M. So we are going at our friend's house to chill out, and this place is Kolkata, and we are currently near bypass. So let's go, let's ride our new R15M, and let's meet our friend. We'll have dinner and it will be fun. So today in this vlog we will show the nightlife of Kolkata. We will chill out very much, and let's go, let's start it. I'm not able to start because I have no holder at my helmet, in my helmet. So let me keep it here and let me start it first. Now the bike is started. Let's go. Let me reach out to my friend first, then after that I'll continue the video. So here it is, my friend is here. How are you, bro?
I'm fine, bro.
Huh?
I'm fine.
So how's the new bike?
Mashallah, अच्छा.
Huh?
Mashallah, ठीक है.
It's good.
It's good.
So what will you say about it?
I will say that you have to do hard work. That's why that will come, है ना?
I have to do hard work, right? So what are we going to have now for eating for dinner?
You have to eat bhuna and roti.
Bhuna roti.
Yes.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Take it.
Thanks. Let's go.
चलिए.
So here is our hotel where we will have food.
What about you?
What? What?
Are you fine, or not?
Yeah, I am fine. Why the hotel is closed? What now?
No.
Hotel is closed?
I am here now.
You are here.
Yes, sir.
Let's go. Let's see what we have for our dinner. So here we got our bhuna and the roti. This is too much. I won't eat so many roti.
4?
Huh?
4?
This is 4 roti.
5 roti.
Okay, I'll have 4 or 3. 3 or 4 maybe. Okay. You won't eat?
No, I don't want it.
Why?
I have completed my dinner.
Huh?
I have completed my dinner.
You had your dinner already.
इसको ले ले ठीक है.
ठीक है. Now let's have it.
जला तो नहीं.
We had our 4.
जला तो नहीं. काम करते ना.
क्या?
एक काम करते ना.
बोलो.
जला लेते सिगरेट.
Dogs have started barking. So we had our food and now we are going back. So what's the plan?
We have to go home.
You have to go home.
And there we will make video reel.
We are going to make reels.
Yes.
So if you stay in Kolkata, then Kolkata have a nightlife, right?
Yeah.
But in other cities like in Delhi, there's no nightlife. Instead, roaming around at night, it's dangerous, I guess, in Delhi, because I went there in Delhi and I saw that there is no nightlife in Delhi.
Yeah, of course.
Is it correct? फेस मत लेना, मतलब ऐसे बैठोगे ना तो ऐसे हाथ सामने रख करके ये कर देना, बस ऐसे करके बनना है, समझ गए? तो क्यों पॉज कर दिया?
Pause की तो उस time आप भी start करो.
So now we are going back to our home. We had our food and it's time to go back home. Let's go. देखो सही से बन रहा है. कुछ इंग्लिश में बोलते रहो. As you can see, it's already time कितना हो रहा? It's already around 1 midnight and Kolkata is full of joy as it goes by its name. कैसा बैठो तो सही से बैठो तो. So I bought my bike for the first service of R15M. So currently I am in at the service center of Yamaha. Here it is, the service center of Yamaha. It's my first service booking, and I have another problem. I have one problem, not another, sorry. One problem is that this number plate, when I drive, this number plate gives a sound like gang types. So I'll tell them about it and let's see that how much time will they take. So I told what's the problem and what not, and they told that it will take time. They told me to come in second half. So I'll get my bike back at around 4 or 5. So now I am going to return back to my home. So I have given my bike in Yamaha service center. They told me to come at around 4:30 or 5. Currently it's 2:30 now. There is a very bad thing. I don't know why, but I got the bill of around 1530 rupees. So what's the scene? Actually the scene is they told me that it's the first service of the bike, and in the first service we will have to change the mobile. It's necessary to change the mobile. So I told that if it's necessary then do it. And mobile change and the cooling the water cooling water was little bit lower, little less, so they told me we will also add some cooling water. And another thing which was there, I don't remember, but the total cost has been made of 1530 rupees. So that's it. I'll have to go at 4:30 to receive my bike. And this is the catch of Yamaha service center. What you guys have to say about it, you can tell me in the comment section. And he have told me correct or not that I have to change the mobile in the first service. Also let me know this in the comment section. So guys, now it's time to go, and here it is, my outfit. I don't usually wear these types of outfit, but it's okay today. Here it is, my outfit. Let me know in the comments that how does this look. Okay, let me know in the comments. And currently we are going to it's already time, it's more than the time given, but currently we are going to get our bike. They called me and told me to come and take the bike, so let's go. I've booked Rapido and it's coming. Let's go. So here we go, our Rapido ride starts from here, and we are going to the service center. It will take around, I guess, 10 to 15 minutes to reach there. Let's go. So here we go, the servicing has been done and it's all good now. Everything is good. Now let's see how is it. So the first service of Yamaha is done. If you have any queries and if you have the bike and you are going for the first service and any queries you have, let me know in the comments. I will definitely try to resolve it.